In this video, we're going to look at inserting stickers into our OneNote page. So again, we're going to head over to the insert option and we're going to head all the way to the end past our audio recording and choose this little emoji face insert stickers. Now it's going to bring up a little sidebar for us. Now in this activity, I'm going to add a smiling worm, respect, a fireman, and a seahorse. Now I'm going to do a couple of these, and you see these little words in italics underneath. That is the category that you find over here on the right. Okay, so if you hover over that for a little bit, that will pop up and tell you what the actual category for that is. So they'll just make it a little bit easier to find some of these as well. Quick note, any of them that have the little pencil next to them, they are editable. So any of these that you can, where it says well done, you can actually click on that and you can write whatever you want in there as well. The first one we're going to try and find is a smiling worm. So that's under the classic pack. All right, so just going to do a bit of scrolling till I can find the classic pack for a smiling worm, science, unicorn, cactus, check plus, classic. There we go, little apple classic. And there you go, there is my smiling worm. So I'm going to click into the box I actually want because that's where I want my image to go. And I'm going to click on that smiling worm and you can see that's going to put that sticker straight into my box. And the next one is respect, and we need to find that under SEL. Now that sounds like an abbreviation for something. I'm going to head back up to the top because I think I know where this one is. Social and emotional learning. Yep, so that's an abbreviation for SEL. I'm going to click on that one and I need to find respect. So I'm going to go across and find respect. There it is. So you have obviously a variety of different things here. I'm going to click on respect and that's going to insert that straight into my page. And I'm going to get you guys to have a go at doing the fireman and the seahorses. So there you go, inserting stickers on OneNote for Mac.